Avro Shackleton legendary maritime patrol aircraft. Gloucester Gladiator, pre-World War to biplane fighter plane. Sopwith Pup, pioneering WWI fighter aircraft. Hawker Hart, fast 1930s light bomber. Gloucester Gladiator side view in the hangar. Supermarine Spitfire, icon of the Battle of Britain. BF-109G, close-up on the enemy fighter nose. BF-109G cockpit, a glance into the pilot cabin. The oldest surviving Spitfire and a Tiger Moth trainer. Legendary Rolls-Royce Merlin engine powering the Spitfire fighter. Rear view showing the Hawker Hart tail design. WWI Sopwith Pup with the TS Artajet behind. Dornier Do-17 engine and Defiant wreckage. Sopwith 1.5 strutter, British WWI two-seater aircraft. BACTS R22, prototype British supersonic strike aircraft. CC, Jaguar Act experimental fly-by-wire research aircraft. Powerful Olympus 2R engine of the TSR-2. Experimental Jaguar Act in distinctive test flight livery. Eurofighter EAP tech demonstrator prototype for Typhoon. Eurofighter EAP equipped with a SROM air-to-air missile. Hawker Siddeley Parkplatz 1127, pioneering prototype of the Harrier. Hawker Siddeley Parkplatz 1127, pioneering prototype of the Harrier. German V-2 ballistic missile from World War II. Massive main landing gear of Avro Lancaster. Avro Lincoln, larger post-war successor to Lancaster. Front view and bomb bay of Avro Lincoln. Messerschmitt mit 200 C2, world's first operational jet fighter. Fieseler Phi 103V1, world's first cruise missile. Messerschmitten 410 Hornisse war die Fighter. Bristol Blenheim Mk E-Fight Bomber. Dorsal gun, turret of the Bristol Blenheim Mk4. Under fuselage bombs and turret of Bristol Blenheim Mk4. External bomb, racks mounted under Bristol Blenheim Mk4. De Havilland Tiger Moth, iconic RAF trainer aircraft. Junkers Ju-88 Erdogan, German radar-equipped night fighter. Vickers Wellington, British geodesic structure medium bomber. Front FN5 gun, turret of Vickers Wellington bomber. Nose section and turret of Vickers Wellington bomber. German aerial bomb and aircraft landing gear. Bristol Pegasus radial engine and Wellington bomber. Tail section and empennage of German aircraft. Interior fuselage structure of a historic aircraft. De Havilland Tiger Moth trainer aircraft on display. Front view of the Bristol Blenheim bomber. Messerschmitten 410 Hornisse war die Fighter. Avro Lancaster legendary British heavy bomber. Early turbojet engines on museum display. Cutaway view of an aircraft propeller hub. Air intakes and landing gear of Concorde. Historic missiles on display in an aviation museum. Cutaway model of a missile on display. Close-up of the AIM-9 L Sidewinder missile nose. Rear, fuselage and engine exhaust nozzles with covers. Douglas Dakota transport aircraft on museum display. Front view of the Douglas Dakota aircraft. Jet Provost trainer aircraft suspended from the ceiling. Engine nacelles and propellers on aircraft wing. Front view of the Handley Page Hastings. British Alvis Saladin armoured car from above. Missiles and launchers on museum display. British Seawolf anti-aircraft missile. Side view of the Alvis Saladin armoured car. Cockpit and engine of a Sikorsky helicopter. Royal Air Force Short Belfast transport aircraft. Maid Marian nose art on aircraft fuselage. Rear section and exhaust nozzles of Avro Vulcan. Jet Provost trainer aircraft. Percival Provost trainer aircraft. MiG-15 jet fighter with the number 1120. Supersonic MiG-1 PF fighter jet number 503. Front section of the English Electric Lightning. Avro Vulcan strategic bomber on display exhibition. British Vickers Valiant strategic bomber. English Electric Canberra XH-171 jet bomber. British Vickers Valiant strategic bomber. Heavy machine gun on transport helicopter ramp. Sikorsky MH-53 MPAVE low special operations helicopter. Front view of the Sikorsky MH-53 MPAVE low helicopter. Cross section of Dunlop aircraft wheel and brake. Consolidated PBY Catalina Rescue amphibian. Consolidated PBY Catalina Rescue seaplane L866. HS Domini ROVs navigation trainer jet. Jet Provost XM351 training aircraft. British Gloucester Meteor jet fighter. German Siebel SE-200 for transport aircraft. Side view of the Siebel C-200 for aircraft. Armstrong Whitworth Argosy 497 transport aircraft. British Vickers VC-10 transport aircraft. Lockheed C-130 Hercules military transport aircraft. Vickers 679 transport aircraft.